Hi friends, I love Teasel. Here we have some Teasel. Magical plant. Spiny. The ovoid inflorescence has beautiful lilac flowers. They form in the middle and grow in both directions. These flowers are used mostly by florists as ornamentals. The lanceolate leaves have a row of spines on the underside on the midrib. The stems are also prickly. Dipsacum Sylvestris is its Latin name. Dipsacum is derived from the word thirst and refers to the cup-like formation where the leaves merge at the stem. They're nearly perfoliate, but not really. Rainwater collects here, and we call it Venus's tears. This prevents sap-sucking insects like aphids from climbing up the stem. An experiment actually showed that adding dead insects to these cups increased the seed sets of Teasel, implying that these plants may be partially carnivorous. It's in the Caprifoliaceae family. It's a biennial plant. The first year rosette forms again a Fibonacci sequence, which is amazing. This is the viable root, which is medicinal, which is what we consider a wonderful ally for the musculoskeletal system. The second year plant shoots up and is no longer medicinally used. However, the seed heads, when they're dried, are used to tease out the fibers from the fabric when in textile processing. And the seed heads also provide valuable winter food for birds, such as especially the goldfinch. And of course, birds and bees and butterflies and other pollinators love this plant. Teasel, as a medicinal plant, I think is ruled by Saturn because it has a special affinity to the musculoskeletal system. It helps with torn or stretched ligaments. It's wonderful for muscles, broken bones. It's an extremely valuable anti-inflammatory for the entire musculoskeletal system. Matthew Wood has written beautifully about this plant, as has Stephen Buhner, especially for healing Lyme's disease and lupus. In Chinese medicine, the root of Dipsacum japonicum is used to tonify the kidney essence, the jing, and liver blood. The Chinese name translates to restore what is broken. Teasel promotes circulation, applied externally or taken internally. It has been used to stop uterine bleeding and prevent miscarriage. We dug up some beautiful root, the first year root from the basil rosette, and we chopped it up and we put it in a jar and added alcohol. I couldn't cut up this one root because it was just so beautiful. I added alcohol to it, and I always add crystals, clear quartz, to amplify the magic of this plant, and it'll steep for 6 weeks. The flower essence of Teasel is wonderful to restore a broken spirit. It is for people who have difficulty being assertive. Thank you so much. Enjoy this gorgeous, beautiful, magical, and saturnine plant.